If you can generate just 10 phone calls per day with $50, you will make $500. Tell me what business you know is more easy than that. Hello guys, I'm just here to answer some questions for some of y'all who ask some proof. You just want to make sure that all the money that I show you on my video that I've been making them for real. Let me tell you, this type of business, a lot of people can clickbait you if you keep asking proof, because you just have to go to work, just go to apply everything that I said in my videos. I can fake result and show you the proof that I make money, but the best thing to do is to practice what I teach on this channel. Pay-per-call has changed my life completely. When I found this business, I was watching a lot of videos about clickbank, and I was watching video about a lot of other affiliate marketing method, but they didn't work for me because they require a lot of investment. You have to have a website and a lot of things, and sometimes you have to pay a lot of money to advertise, and they don't convert. This type of business or this model of affiliate marketing was not a good fit for me, because you have to convert someone into a buyer. Someone has to buy something to make money. But with pay-per-call, the difference is you have to convince someone to grab the phone and make a phone call. When they do, you make money. So this is how simple it is. Just imagine someone need electrician near me. They have a problem on their sink, and they need an electrician that can clearly just come and fix the problem for them. Or someone has a problem, they need a plumber because the bathroom, the toilet doesn't work, and there is a problem in the toilet. They need ASAP a plumber. So they grab the phone, they go on Google, and they type plumber near me. So if you have an ad at the same moment when they type they need a plumber, and they grab the phone and call the phone number that you list on Google, or maybe on Google Ads or anywhere that you put it, you make $50, at least $50, just because they spent 2 minutes on the phone just to ask question. Tell me what business is more easy than that. Just make someone grab the phone number and they call a phone number and you make money. That's the type of business that I'm talking about. If you want more proof, the only thing you need is to write me on Skype. I have my Skype. I'm gonna show you all the proof live, how I make money with this business. Or if you wanna do by yourself, you wanna make money by yourself, don't take time. Click on the link below to buy my book for only $39, where I explain step by step how you can generate your first $1,000 online with pay-per-call just by making people call a number. So if they grab the phone number, they call, you make money. If you can generate just 10 phone calls per day with $50, you will make $500. Tell me what business you know is more easy than that. Tell me. I don't know any business that can bring you just money like clockwork easily like this than pay-per-call. So if you like this video, make sure you comment down below. If you need me to coach you, you can comment down below. I will be happy to coach you. So this video was to answer some of y'all who asked for some proof. This is the best answer I can give you. Thank you. Bye-bye.